Tutorial for downloading 3D idea generators on your smartphone. Open the World Innovation Network app on your smartphone. Click on Innovation Next Tools for Download section. Click on 3D Idea Generators Download section. Click on Download 3D Idea Generators on Smartphone section. Click on Download SWF Player for Smartphone section. Click on the expanded link of the SWF Player for smartphones. This will take you to the SWF Player on the Google Play platform. Download the SWF Player from Google Play and install it on your smartphone. Close the expanded icon of the SWF Player for smartphones. Click on 3D Idea Generator for Design Innovations. Click on the expanded link of the 3D Idea Generator for Design Innovations. This will start downloading the 3D Idea Generator for Design Innovations on your smartphones. You can now start generating ideas with the 3D Idea Generator on your smartphone. You can similarly download the other 3D idea generators as per your project needs.